Hey guys, today we're doing a review on the Roomba 105. Now, if you're thinking about dipping your toes into the world of robot vacuums without spending a fortune, the iRobot Roomba 105 here is a surprisingly smart place to start. Now, this little guy may be entry level, but don't underestimate it. What I really love about this is how well it handles daily dirt and just dust and pet hair. Even if you got kids or shedding dog or high traffic floors, this dual multi-surface brushes adjusts automatically to different floor types, whether it's carpet, tile, or hardwood. Now, you don't have to think about it, it just does its job. The cleaning pattern is smart and efficient, especially for a model at this price point. Now, it uses robot's patent dirt detect sensor, which means it can identify the dirtiest area of your home, like those spots in the hallway or around the dining table, and automatically clean more in those areas and zones. And another feature that I think is you will appreciate is the low profile. It slides easily under couches, beds, and furniture where crumbs tend to hide. And the edge sweeping brush, now that's a total win for getting into corners and along the baseboards. Now battery life is solid too, runs about 90 minutes on a full charge, which is more than enough for a medium-sized apartment or house floor plan. Now when it's done, it automatically docks itself and recharge. Hands-free and hassle-free. Also compatible with the iRobot Home app, so you can start to schedule your cleaning from your phone even when you're not home, which is really nice. Voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant is another fun bonus. Now, if you're really looking for advanced mapping and smart room targeting, this model really isn't built for that. You can go for the higher upgrade ones. But for daily maintenance and keeping your space consistently clean, and you're on a great budget and you want value, the Room 105 here really holds its own. Now, overall, if you're on a budget and starting with entry level of the robot cleaner, the 105 is dependable, and it is one of my favorite value robotic cleaner. So you want to do that quick review? Hope that helps you, and just check out this Roomba in action.
Manually, once you put this on. Click.
Roomba's water fan is installed.
And your Roomba
Pad's installed.
will also let you know there's some sensors in there. It's not too late. Really done. And bananas.
Clean like that?